Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing these Lululemon slim fit pants, Utilitech. So these are pretty much the only pants I wear nowadays. I believe this color is navy. I'll have the accurate color in the video description. Let's see, let's check it out, check it out. Wow, it's a nice blue. I think that's either blue or navy. I think it's, yeah, I'll see. I'll get the accurate color for you guys. What does it say on the tag? No, I don't see anything. Cool. Alright, so the usual, if you've seen my other videos. 2 front pockets, very, very nice. Very nice coin pockets here. Subtle logo here. Normal pocket here. But this is the 2 pocket one. This is why I love these pants. So regular pocket here, zipper pocket where I put my wallet here. So very nice. Cool. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of these pants in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.